If you ever heard the word manifestation and thought it meant sitting around thinking positive thoughts and waiting for the universe to deliver a Ferrari, I've got news for you. That's not how it works. Manifestation is not magic. It's energetic alignment backed by universal laws, neuroscience, neuroplasticity, epigenetics, neurocardiology, and maintaining a state of psychophysiological coherence, sustaining positive emotions. So what that means is that you are already manifesting every second of your life, the good, the bad, the confusing. How? Well, your thoughts, your emotions, and your beliefs are sending out a signal, a resonance, and that signal is collapsing potential outcomes in your 3D experience. So how do you change what you're attracting? Step one, become aware of your thoughts and emotions. If you take a look, most people live on autopilot, reacting to their environment. But once you become conscious of your internal state, you can start to shift it. Step two, feel the reality of what you want as if it's already here. That emotional frequency is the signal. The thought sends the intention out into the field. The emotion dictates what comes back. Step three, take action from the new identity, not from lack, but from alignment. It's not about wishing, it's about becoming. And once you do that, life begins to rearrange itself in ways that feel like magic. But it's not magic. It's the laws doing what they've always done. So now you know what. The next step is the how. I'll see you in the next video.